Okay, so we're going to run through the TP100 network configuration. First thing we need to do before we start is we need to check a couple of things. First thing is a self-test print. Here's a sample of the self-test print here, and we want to take note of this IP address. Okay, this is the IP address that's currently set on the printer. Now, to do a self-test print, all you do is turn the printer off via the power switch, hold the paper feed button on top of the printer, and while holding that paper feed button, turn the printer back on. Okay, that'll produce a self-test, and you'll be able to check the IP address along with several other configurations. Okay, second thing we need to do is we need to go to Start, type CMD, load command prompt, and we type IP config. So IP config, it's up the top here. Now this will give us the default gateway and the IP address of the PC or point of sale system you're using. So as you can see, we are on a range of 192.168.2.1. okay, and if we have a look at our printer, it is on a different subnet or IP range. So we're going to need to change the IP address of the printer so we can use it. It needs to be on the same subnet or network. Now, to do that, we head back to our website, senortech.com.au, go to the support tab in downloads, and you want to select POS printer, TP100 and Windows all. Okay, so you want to download this tool here, TP100 config tool. Download it and save it to your desktop or somewhere that you can find later. Okay, so I've already downloaded the tool and I've got it here. So I'm just going to run the tool. Okay, so I've already installed the printer, so I can just now I can configure the tool from the driver. Okay, so we want to select the Ethernet tab, and we want to change this IP address here. Okay, so as mentioned, we're on a range of 192.168.2.1, so we need to select an IP address between the range of 2.1 to 2.254. okay, easiest way is just to change that digit to 2, set. Okay, so now that's set up. So now we want to go to Ethernet. We want to change the port, change the IP address to 2.87, and we'll go connect. Okay, that's now connected. Now we go back to the base tab, and we go self-test print. So now that's running over Ethernet and communicating via this or to this IP address. Okay, so we can close the config tool. Last thing we need to do is go to devices and printers, and we need to create a port for the printer to communicate through. Okay, so we right click our printer, printer properties, ports. We want to go add port, standard TCP IP port. Sorry. We want to go new port, next. And now we want to type that IP address, so 192.168.2.87. We go next. Okay, so we select generic network card and go next, and then finish. Okay, we can close this, and as you can see, well, we have a port here of 192.168.2.87. Okay, alright, we can go apply, general tab, test print, and as you can see, that's all working. Okay, again, you can do the self-test print to double check or confirm that the IP address, or what the IP address is. We know that it's 2.87. We can test through that IP address, and that's about it. So thanks for watching.